Welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to use shade and complete a portrait. And if you have joined for the first time, we have live sessions on portrait sketching and painting every week. So stay connected and please subscribe the channel, and let's start quickly. So when we make any portrait, I suggest that you can start from making of the eyes. So I will be showing you. So when you make the eyes, then the positioning of the eye matters a lot. So here, when you make the face, then the angle of the eyes, the size of the eye matters a lot. So I am making the eyes first. Then in this, the eyes have to be drawn, but they have to be, we want to show them that they are live. Therefore, in the eyes, what we do is we give a shine. So in two eyes, I will be showing you the shine in the eye. So which is not very complicated. You have to just leave leave an area here. I am leaving an area white where I will not shade, and outside it I will shade. When I will do this, what will happen? The outer part, which will be dark, which will be shaded, and this white portion which is left will give a shine to the eye. The upper part of the eye is to be shaded dark. And we are into quick completing of the face. Now you are already seen that I have left a white portion in the face in these two eyes. This white portion will help in giving a shine, which is the I consider as the life of the eye. So from the outside, the shading has to be done in such a way according to the shape of the person's eyes. So I am using normal pencil. You can also use a normal pencil. If you don't have any special pencil of shading, you can use, this is a normal HB pencil. And we give shading but leave that white area, uh, which will give shine to the eye, which is a reflection. This shows that the eyes are live, and it gives a basic impression of realism, slight realism. You can go on making detail, but the first thing which I consider is giving the proper shape of the face, of the eyes. Then you have to give life to the eyes, which is given by now get the outline and the shape of the eye is correct. This is the upper eyelid. Now once the eyes are done, you can measure that what is the amount of resemblance to the face, because eyes are considered as important part in any portrait. The next part is the eyebrows. The eyebrows of some people, in fact, everyone is different, but most of the people have a particular shape. But here, if you will see, I am doing it, that the shape of the eyebrow is typical. This is a male face. In the male face, the eyebrows are not styled in detail, they are the hairlines which we have to do and give them a shape according to the person's face. Here the eyebrows are slightly longer. So this part is done, then we will give shade to it. Shading we will do together. Let's come to the nostril. Now according get observe, just observation is required when you are making any portrait. In this the nostrils are deep. Now this is the nose bone which is going from here. There is depth in this. So I am just looking about the face. Next comes the lips. Observe the lips of a person. They are not same. Mostly of the lips are drawn with a basic shape, but some people have got lips which have got upper lips are thin or the upper lips are broad. In this portrait or the face, you will see that this is the center line of the lip where the lining is thicker. So upper lips are slightly thicker. And this is the corner. So lips have got a texture. The lips do not have a flat surface. They have a fold. In this case also, you will see that this is the center of the lip. It is having a fold which is seen in the lower lip. Now there are linings which are characteristic of the lip. That is the texture of the lip. So first I am giving some thin linings to the lip, the surface. There is a link of sketching and shading the lips given below this video. Check that out. You will understand how do you make the lips. There is a mustache. Mustache and the beard are not very big, but they are not small also. The beard is and the mustache is visible. The upper lip is thicker in this case. So first I am making a basic shape of the lip. Now this is the lip line. Below the lip there is a small stubble or beard. It is a French cut, but there is small beard here, and the lining of the jawline is coming here. Now getting the jawline which has beard, and the beard is also not very big and thin, it has been trimmed a little bit. First you get the shape of the jawline correct. This is a square face, and till here the beard is trimmed, and here I have to make so small hair I will show. And same thing on this side, but this is facing on the other side, therefore I have to make the shading in such a way. So watch the pencil movement. You have to move the pencil softly and without giving too much of detail, because the hair on the beard and the mustache are not big, they are small hair. So just move the pencil down, and I will just make a texture of the beard. Now get this shape right, and this will give some resemblance to the face. If you are able to guess what you are seeing, you can give a comment below this video. Now the ear you have to make according to the positioning of the nose. Now I will complete it fast because the major outlining is done. Now the hair, in this the face, the hairstyle is stylish. So I have to first make the lining of the hair on the head. Mm, the hair have been, I won't say they are set properly, but that is a style. It is folding from here. There is a fold here in the hair, and the hair is going this side. And they are, this is a black and white, but in this face there are hair are colored. So they are, this is a trend in setting of the hair, where the hair is not styled in one direction. it is spread in different direction. First I am getting the basic shape of the hair correct. Now this is the part which is in darkness, so here I will give a little bit of shade. Now this side the hair is, and there is hair which is bent this side. So this is a unique hairstyle. This. And then the forehead. On the forehead the hair is coming, and they are light. Now this is a typical hairstyle. The hair is coming on the face. And the basic lining of the face is done. Now we can check the outlining of the face, that it is coming properly or not. And the lower part. So when you are doing any portrait, the main focus should be on getting the lining and getting the face angle correct. Clothes and all I consider less. You can give detail to the clothes also, but here I am just showing you the main part of getting the face correct. So you have seen that it is done. The neckline ends here. Now to give shading to the face, move the pencil flat and shade softly. And in the hair, on the eyebrows, the hair have to be drawn. It is a male face. So please comment on what you have seen, and any improvement or anything else suggestions you have, you can definitely comment. And what you are watching, you can try out what you are seeing and send your work on the email link. There is an email link given below. You can send. Now keep the shading light, move the pencil softly. Now shade, and then move the shading part on this side, and this is the characteristic of this face. The crow lines or the crow feet are not visible, but yes, the person is middle-aged. So from the lower nostril, the shading will be given to give it roundness. Then on the other side, after you have done this, then you can use a brush. Now under the nostril, the area will be dark. So the lower area of the inner nostril will be shaded, and on the outside the shading will be done darker. Now once you do this, you will understand that the face has got a resemblance or not. Now move pencil softly because I have already made. I am moving soft pencil because I have already made the beard lining. So on this, over this, I will just give a soft pencil movement and then use a brush to mix it. The whole face doesn't have big beard, but yes, the beard is there. Now, after you have done the hair, use pencil and just the outer lining of the jawline will be done with hair. And then you can shade. Now, over this, then I will rub a brush. When I rub brush, this pencil shade will mix. And you can add more time. Now this is a session where I am showing you the basic thing and how do you do it. So I am not giving full detail and not showing full 100% one, but basic understanding that when you have to give which are the areas. So the area in the eyes, that should be done properly. The area under the eyes, the area around the eyes, the eyebrows, that has to be shaded properly. Now if you focus on these areas, then the portrait is done, and the other parts, the neckline and the clothes, they don't matter a lot. You can just understand or identify a person if you have made the eyes. Now this area, which is the cheek line here, the shading has to be done softly in the curved path. and the basic portrait is done. So this was done faster. The face, mostly a female face, sometimes it takes some time. Otherwise, you can complete a portrait easily also. Even if it is a female face, it depends on the detail which you have to do on the face. It depends on that. Now, this is the area which I want to give detail. And now, further detailing. This is the black part of the hair which I have to do. So keep pencil. I am holding the pencil from a distance. This will reduce pressure and the pencil marks will not be visible. And the hairstyle is important here. If you are able to guess, you can type your comment below. The celebrity. And now watch the neck area. In this, so once you have done, you will be able to understand that your face has a resemblance of how much percent. Your face will not come 100%. There will be, because I believe, that is my opinion, that a person is unique. You can't copy you. You as an individual are different from anyone else. Even if you are a twin, you are different. So you can have a copy, but a copy cannot be fully same. So therefore, in the same way, a portrait also. Now let's make this area soft. You can rub by using a brush. If you are not comfortable, you can rub by using a brush. So hope you have liked and you will try. You should try out and send your work at the email link which is given below. I would be more than happy to assist you and guide you if you need any guidance or any help in making a portrait. So stay connected and keep joining our live sessions. If you miss out on the live, you can watch the video and learn. And there are step by step. I will be having chapter wise, and because people have said they want to know from A to Z. There are some sessions where there is everything from beginning till end, and there will be chapter wise topic explanation. Soon I will do that. So stay connected and subscribe, and see you in the next session. So goodbye and take care. So goodbye and stay connected.